Hi, I'm Mark Kistler, and I'm so delighted you're exploring the possibilities of taking my drawing course here on 21 Draw. Now, this is season 2, so I really recommend you take the first season of the 21 lessons on my first course on 21 Draw, and this is like 21 Draw Mark Kistler 2.0, right? So let me show you. I'm so excited. Let me show you some of the lessons that we're going to be drawing. There's 21 lessons. They're really going to be fun. And remember, they're all based on the 12 Renaissance words. These words, this is a style, this is a technique that I've developed over 40 years of teaching millions of folks around the world how to draw on my PBS series and in my books. I've written 20 books on how to draw based on this unique method, teaching with the Renaissance words. Over 1 million of my books in print, and I've taught on the PBS shows, and I've taught at universities, schools, and high schools all over the world for the past 40 years doing my school assemblies. So let me show you, let me take a peek of some of the drawings we're going to draw. Look at this. We're going to be drawing the toucan with contour lines and texture. We're going to be drawing the dinosaur herd using overlapping and size. We're going to draw the flying pig. We'll draw baby octopus. Look at this. This is a wonderful lesson. We're going to be drawing the ant highway, this ant, using contour lines for the tubes where the ant explores the world. We'll be drawing this really fun Twinkie planet using foreshortening and overlapping. We're going to draw the magical mermaid using overlapping and spiral and curve. Just wonderfully imaginative lessons. The Seahorse Symphony. 3 cool, awesome snowmen. The 1-point perspective candy cane lane. Look at we're going to fill your sketchbook up. Look at this beautiful birthday present or holiday present with the ribbon using overlapping and lined up what I call direction southwest. We're going to draw the abominable snowman straight from Rudolph's neighborhood. The space kitties using parachuting penguins. Look at this imagination. Look at this creativity. The whoosh cloud using overlapping and using contour. This one was made famous during my PBS series in 1980s called The Secret City. We're going to draw the textured owl, kind of make it look like it's flying away from you. We're going to draw the friendly fish. We're going to draw the illuminating light bulb. Now, in season 1, we drew 4 letters. In this season 2.0 of 21 Draw, we're going to explore more lettering. We'll do a brick letter, a hovering letter, and then a tree-rooted letter. Isn't that fun? We'll do a little Halloween theme lesson here with Frankenstein and the cool ghost. We'll draw Count Dracula with the flying bats. So I have all these fun lessons in store for you. I hope you decide to click that button and join me, Mark Kistler, right here on my Season 2, Mark Kistler 2.0 on 21 Draw.